I'm Safia Herisa. I'm as your guide for this trip in the Chinatown of Makassar. So, let's follow me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now I will explain about the Chinatown of Makassar in four aspects. The first aspect is where is the location of the Chinatown Makassar. So, and then the second, the history of the Chinatown of Makassar, and then the buildings, the ornaments, and the architecture about the Chinatown of Makassar, and the last, the function of the Chinatown Makassar. The Chinatown of Makassar, it is divided into two sub-districts, namely Wajo Districts and Ujung Pandang sub-districts, Makassar, South Sulawesi. Okay, so now I will explain about what is the Chinatown of Makassar. In outline Chinatown of Makassar, there is a place where ethnics most often live, and it has a very unique Chinese style building where the style of the building is in the Asian style because Chinatown has existed since the 14th century AD. Where the Chinese ethnics come to Makassar for the first time, its existence can be proven by the existence of Chinese graves around the Chinatown Makassar market. This area seems to be a witness to the history of the arrival of ethnic Chinese in Makassar. Okay, the Chinatown of Makassar. In the history of the Chinatown Makassar, as the name implies, there are many buildings with Chinese architecture scattered in this area. The beginning of the construction of this area was since the arrival of the Chinese ethnics, who is estimated to have first set foot in Makassar in the 14th century. This information is written on the tombstone of a Chinese cemetery in the central market. During the 16th to the southern during the 16th century, known as the Ming Dynasty, a Chinese national came to the southern coast of Sulawesi to run a business. His business was progressing rapidly. It was decided to settle down and form a community is the Chinatown area now. Apart from its history, now ethnic Chinese who live in Makassar also live in average around Jalan Jampea, Sumba, and Sulawesi. Later, we can get to know Chinese culture in Chinatown is because this place has many things that describe Chinese ethnic, and there are many Chinese heritage buildings which are historical tour, and there are several buildings that still retain the characteristic of the Dutch era. One of the pagodas around Makassar Chinatown is the Sianma Temple, aka the Sakti Naga Temple. Although it was built as a place of worship, we can visit and see inside. Built since 1864, the pagoda is the oldest in Makassar. Now, it is almost 2 centuries old. However, when entering this area, you must comply with several existing rules, especially when there is worship. This is also where the first Mititi food was there, and later we will stop by the place to eat Mititi, which is in this frame. Okay, so Chinatown Makassar is Chinese village located in Makassar, which is used a historical tour. Okay, everyone. After the tour that we did, and I think this explanation about the Chinatown of Makassar. So, thank you for our trip in this today. So, thank you. Bye bye.